we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Anycash sticker printer. That's include portable thermal printer. Delightfully compact and lightweight, this mini printer easily fits into your pocket, making on-the-go printing tasks hassle-free. Perfect for printing tickets, labels, and other thermal printing tasks anytime, anywhere. Mini printer with 3 rolls of stickers. Incorporates unique sticker printing capabilities, allowing you to create a variety of stickers with ease. Personalize your belongings and print your memories as stickers within seconds. Inkless Sticker Maker. Enjoy stickers printing with Luck Jingle app at your fingertips. Perfect for printing out your favorite moments and turning them into lasting memories. You can now print out your ideas wherever you go. Cute toy design. Its adorable toy-like design makes it a fun and engaging printing gadget for kids and adults alike. It is an enjoyable tool to foster creativity and make printing a fun experience. Perfect gift choice. Whether for Christmas or a birthday celebration, this sticker printer serves as an excellent gift choice. Ideal for individuals who love taking notes or cherish documenting memories. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.